Hello and welcome to episode 13 of SAAB Fever. My name's Frank, and in today's video we'll be replacing a wing mirror on SAAB 95. By some sort of cosmic coincidence, the 13th episode seems to involve a broken mirror. As you can see, the plastic backing still connected to the car, but the mirror glass itself decided it didn't want to be part of the car anymore. It's held in place by a metal ring around the inside of the moulding. You access it from the inner side of the mirror. It's proving harder than normal to remove at present. I'm not entirely sure why it's given me so much difficulty. I've replaced a number of these in the past. I don't recall them being this difficult. I think it might be because the glass is missing, so the plastic moulding, instead of being fixed as the back of some broken mirror, is just flexing out of the way rather than actually unclipping. Now that it's separated, I'll just pull off the connectors for the heating. Here's a good view of what it looks like around the back of the unit. This is what you're trying to do with your fingers when you reach around. Anyway, here's the replacement. Putting it back on should be a lot easier since the spring will push out of the way. You can see here I'm just checking that it's still flexible. Don't forget to hook up the wiring for the heating element. With it lined up in place, I'm just going to give a firm push in the center with two thumbs. And there you have it. Wing mirror replaced. As always, thanks for watching.